Thank you for choosing SharkBite for your plumbing project. Today we're installing a dual shutoff supply stop valve from SharkBite on a 1/2-inch PEX stub-out. Dual outlet stop valves are designed to provide two supply lines from a single stub-out, like a dishwasher or refrigerator and kitchen faucet, or a dual vanity in a bath. These are available in a dual shutoff or single shutoff version. To get started, you'll need to look at your application and determine if your stub-out comes out of the wall or floor. Like any plumbing project, your first step should be shutting off the water supply to the area you're working on. The safest way to do this is the main water shutoff to the structure. Then continue to relieve pressure and drain the supply lines by opening a nearby faucet. If necessary, disconnect any supply lines and remove old stop valves. For push to connect, cut the PEX stub-out squarely, making sure to leave enough to insert the supply stop. Mark the depth on the stub-out using a depth and deburr tool. Push the valve onto the pipe to the mark. Finish by installing your faucet, dishwasher, refrigerator, or ice maker connector from the stop valve to your fixture. Hand tighten the nut until snug. Then, using a wrench, tighten 1/4 turn. Be sure not to over-tighten. Turn the stop valve to the open position, followed by the main water supply. Check to ensure there are no leaks or loose connections. Using SharkBite is fast, efficient, and reliable. SharkBite offers supply connections for faucets, toilets, refrigerators, dishwashers, ice makers, and humidifiers.